জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয়।
I am getting married. My mom likes Jasmine. Therefore, I also like only Jasmine.
No. What am I doing? I won't become greedy. I will never. It's a sin to have even a little hope, oh Lord.
Nayan. Where are you going? Nayan, I'll ask you a few questions. And you won't go out of this room without answering my questions. Who got you drunk last night, Nayan?
Drunk?
Yes, drunk. That's why you appeared in an inebriated state in front of so many people. You were singing. And you weren't normal at all. I hope you realize that. Nayan, I know it very well that you didn't do it on your own. You can't do something like that on your own. But I'm sure someone must have offered you something. Who was that, Nayan? Tell me the name. Whoever did this has committed a big crime. It's a huge crime. And this can't be forgiven. Whether it's an outsider or a family member. I won't spare that person. I won't have any relationship with that person in the future. I'll punish that person myself. Tell me the name, Nayan. Tell me, who offered you the drink?
Drink it, Nayan. Don't waste time. Will you drink it or not? Ma'am, how could she stoop down to this level? She got me drunk. Oh no. I wonder what all I did last night in a drunken state. I ruined Dripto's reputation in front of the outsiders and the family members. Shame on me.
Nayan, I've asked you something, right? And don't try to save anyone. Tell me, who got you drunk last night? Had my mom been involved in this? Then I'm serious, then I wouldn't have wished to live anymore. This cannot be forgiven, Mithai. Whether it's an outsider or a family member. I won't spare that person. I won't have any relationship with that person in the future. I will punish that person myself.
What do I tell him now? How can I blame his mother, whom he loves more than himself? How do I tell him that it was his mother who offered me that adulterated drink?
Don't keep quiet, Nayan. I just cannot stand your silence. You know very well who made you drink that. Tell me the name, Nayan. Tell me.
I don't know, sir. I don't know.
Nayan, wait. You will have to answer me, Nayan. You cannot go anywhere before that. Come on, tell me. Had my mom been involved in all this? Then I'm serious, Nayan. Tell me, who got you drunk? Had my mom been involved in all this? Then I'm serious, Nayan. I wouldn't have wished to live anymore. Who got you drunk? I won't have any relationship with that person in the future. I'll punish that person myself. My mom can't cheat me. Tell me, who got you drunk?
It was me.
What do you mean?
No one offered me that. I drank it myself, sir.
What? What are you saying? You got drunk on your own.
Lotus. Oh, Lotus. I know that I'm breaking Dripto's trust. But I don't have any other option. I can't belittle his mother in front of Dripto. She's Dripto's life.
Nayan, are you serious about this? You drank it on your own.
Yes, sir. I had asked Aunt that why she drinks all that. She said she suffers a lot because of heartbreak. I am in pain too, sir. I am suffering too. When I realized that thing lessens the pain, so I drank it.
Why are you suffering? Huh? Why are you in pain? Tell me. Why are you in pain? Tell me, Nayan.
Because I couldn't prove it to you. You will marry Jasmine in front of my eyes. Isn't it painful? I got drunk to lessen that pain.
Nayan, you broke my trust. You broke my trust. When my stepmother came to this house after my mom's demise, she taught me only one thing. Deepu, henceforth, I am your mom. Don't trust anyone other than me, not even your dad. No one. And you know what? I was following mom's instructions till day. But once you came and saved my life several times, I started trusting you, Nayan. I am so silly, right? I'm so silly. I claimed it with so much conviction that Nayan could never do that. She's not that kind of a girl. That I know Nayan very well. But I was wrong. My trust in you was wrong, Nayan. I started suspecting Jasmine and Uncle for nothing because of you, you know? I started thinking that maybe they got you drunk. Forcefully, you didn't want to. What did you do to me today, Nayan? I won't be able to trust you anymore. You have lost all the respect in my eyes. You've lost it all, Nayan. You've lost it all.
why would you bother if I lose respect? But mother, you won't be able to bear it if mother loses respect in your eyes. This is better. At least I could keep one promise. I am ready to stoop down to protect you, Dripto.
Everything is going wrong. Everything is going wrong. Everything is going wrong.
I must definitely find out who got Nayan drunk. And I won't spare the person who did this, Mom.
You brought her home now. You may want to marry her in the future.
I can even do that to teach you a lesson, Mom.
Deepu is knocking on the door. Maybe Deepu. Dear Lord, what if Deepu got to know everything from that girl? What will I tell Deepu? What will I tell him? How will I face him? How will I face Deepu? Deepu! Deepu, listen, I don't trust Nayan, Deepu. Trust me. I didn't offer her the drink. I just didn't.
Don't worry, ma'am. I didn't tell the truth to sir. How can I belittle a mother in front of a son? I am not that kind of person. Dripto sir worships you like Lord. He respects you very much. If he finds out that you can do something so dangerous, I know how much he will suffer. I understand that. I totally understand. But you don't. Why, ma'am? Why? Why did you stoop down so much, ma'am? Everything is happening according to your wish. Then why?
Nayan,
You want Dripto to marry again. It's happening. You have chosen Jasmine as his wife, as his partner. That is also happening. Then why are you going down to this level, ma'am?
how dare you? You're interrogating me?
How dare I? I am very daring, ma'am. I lied so much to Dripto sir just now. I am really daring. I am so daring that I'm telling this truth right in front of you. That is why I am here to tell you, ma'am, that don't stoop down more under Jasmine's influence. I won't be able to lie to Dripto sir anymore, ma'am. You are a good mother. So please behave like one. You are a good mother. So please behave like one.
Mom? Mom? Mom.
What?
Did Nayan come here? What did she tell you, Mom?
Poor Nayan. She thinks I'm a good mother to Dripto. I'm a good mother to Dripto.
Hey friend, what was the matter with you last night? Why were you behaving like that?
I have a lot of work pending. I will talk to you later, okay?
Yes, you do have more work now.
What? More work? Why? What happened?
I can't tell you, Nayan, what your sister is doing in the kitchen.
Who? My sister?
Yes, last night. I mean, your sister came here last night. Do you know she's creating mayhem in the whole house? I can't even tell you what she's doing.
Kumu? Kumu is here?
Let me see. Oh no, what is this? Are these edible? Hey,
Hey! What?
hey, wow.
Hey, don't touch those!
Hey, what? Let me eat.
Do you have any clue who this uncultured girl is?
I don't know. She was in Mrs. Basu's room last night. Maybe she's their relative. But we can't say anything to her. What I think is we should keep all the food on the table. Otherwise, she will spoil all the food.
Absolutely
Yes,
right.
yes, you're right. Let's go.
What is this? What are you doing here? Yes? Hey!
Whenever we meet, some accidents happen, right?
I knew it. You are dangerous too. No. I don't think I can get rid of her. Only Nayan can do that. But Nayan is not considered as the daughter-in-law of this family. It'll be dangerous if Kumu finds that out.
Hey, are you going to meet your sister? Seriously, I like her very much. She talks so much. She's great. She is very funny. What happened to you?
You are seeing Nayan? Your sister, Kumu did this to me. Please try to handle her.
How will I handle her? Why did you bring her here?
I purposely didn't bring her here. She just...
Oh Lord, really? She is just great. She's really funny. I really like her, my friend.
No, it's not funny. Kumu must not find out that I work as a maid in this house. She will inform mother and grandfather if she finds about it.
What?
And if they find that out,
I know that, Nayan. They were constantly asking me that where you got the money from and why did you send the money and all. The more I was trying to convince them that you're staying here as a daughter-in-law of this family and that you have sent the money to save for Kumu's wedding, they were a little convinced, but Kumu wasn't convinced at all. She was interrogating me, asking questions. You know what I feel, Nayan? She has come here to check if you are staying here as a daughter-in-law of this family or as a maid.
Oh no. In that case, I don't think it is funny at all.
Exactly. Not at all. Nayan's mother and grandpa will be really upset if they hear that. And Nayan, you please make some arrangement to send her back home.
Yes, I need to do that. There is no other way out. She should neither find out that I am a maid here, nor that Dripto sir is getting married again.